Yorana and Aloha. Attention all Tahitian dance groups, hula hala, artisans, crafters, island vendors, Polynesians, and lovers of the Polynesian culture. Pacific Exchange Production presents the 13th Heiva I Reno Tahitian Group and Solo Dance Competition. Reno and Sparks, Nevada will come alive August 16th and 17th at John Ascuaga's NUGGET. Friday, August 16th, Heiva I Reno will feature over 200 Tahitian dancers spread out in different age categories from 8 years old and up as they compete in a solo Tahitian dance competition, vying for a prize in this year's Heiva I Reno. Saturday, August 17th, the Tahitian dance will once again take front stage as groups from all over compete in the group competition. The following groups are confirmed to perform: Hitia Otera, Nemenzo, Temana Otera, Makamai Melia o Polynesia, Te Mau Ta'ata Anua Anua, Nahoku Mai Kanoilani, Merahi o Tehani, Otea Api, Te Pura o Te Rahuraa, Tamari'i Mata Irea, Hula Ohana o Fresno, Toerao Manurahi, Westlake School for the Performing Arts, Teorama, Maramahina o Kalama, Hura Atua Nui, Kaliko Aeo Le Lahua. The evening will also witness the exciting and suspenseful overall solo competition as all of this year's first place winners will compete in a winner-takes-all dance-off. This year's 13th annual Heiva I Reno will be headlining in John Ascuaga's NUGGET's Rose Ballroom, 2 days only, August 16th and 17th. A Polynesian art and craft fair will be featured on both days and will be free to the public. The fair will include artisans, crafters, and vendors from all over the world displaying and selling their art and goods from the Polynesian islands. Haere mai, haere mai. Come down to Reno Sparks, Nevada to John Ascuaga's NUGGET August 16th and 17th for the 13th annual Pacific Exchange Productions Heiva I Reno 2013. For more information, visit our website, pacificexchangeprod.com, or send us an email at heivaireno@yahoo.com.